Hey everyone, welcome back to another Canva tutorial. Today, I'll demonstrate how to achieve a fun, sticker-like choppy crop effect for your images. Let's get started. Open Canva and click Create Design. Select your project dimensions. I'll opt for an Instagram post. Navigate to the Elements tab and search for the image you want to use. Click to add it to your page. Now let's apply the choppy crop effect. Access the Apps section on the left toolbar, search for Choppy Crop, and open the app. In the cropping window, choose your image, begin clicking around the edges to create a custom cutout. Click on your image to set the first point, then continue clicking around the image to add more points, essentially outlining the image for a custom cutout. Remember to click back on the first point to close the shape and finalize the cutout. Fine-tune the cutout until you're satisfied. Scroll down and click Add to Design. Your cropped image will now display as a sticker-like cutout. Delete the original picture. Enhance your design by adding a background and text. Resize or reposition the cropped image as necessary, and there you have it. A distinctive, edgy design created in just minutes. That's all for now. I hope you found this helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.